Hey guys, happy Monday. Believe it or not, it's a nice day out here. It's going to get up to 80 degrees. We are in Maystown, Illinois, and we're doing good here. We're doing a repeat client. We're doing total 3 areas. We were here a couple weeks ago into the HVAC system cleaning, and we're at it. So stay tuned for results. And as always, hit the bell. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. All right, guys, let's go. Ayo. Pre-spray ready. Gorgeous day out here, guys. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, we're actually at the carpet now with a CRB, as you guys can see. And we're getting ready for the upcoming holidays, Thanksgiving and Christmas, of course. This is a repeat client. We're resetting the memory pile by agitating it with our counter-rotating CRB brush. Hope you guys are having a great day. Happy Monday to you. If you guys want to get on our schedule, we do advise and recommend to be proactive and give us a call to get on there, whether it's your carpet or your upholstery, area rugs, any favorite piece of upholstery you got, you know your loved ones and visitors are going to be sitting on, as well as your carpet. So we love restoring, cleaning, and maintaining flooring, especially carpet, since we've been doing it for over 20 years. And of course, as you guys know, we also do other hard floor surfaces, whether it's your tile, hardwood, laminate, LVP, and what have you. So give us a call, guys. We clean it all. Typically for carpet, it's 60 an area. We do have a minimum of 180. And we can re-protect your carpet fiber with factory protection, like it was when it was new. And typically it's half the cost of cleaning. And same with your upholstery items, your favorite piece of furniture, and fine fabrics. We also recommend your mattress cleaning as well. Also, in addition, in terms of hardwood flooring, if you ever just want to get it clean and buffed out to pop the original sheen of your hardwood floors, we can do that for $1.50 a square foot. We do have a minimum as well for those services for any hardwood. So give us a call for further information and details. We also do, like I said, luxury vinyl planks, tile, and of course tile and grout cleaning and sealing. You guys probably see that in a lot of our videos, that we can transform the appearance and get it back to the original state. And guys, that's the whole point of a maintenance service, is you want to not only clean it, but you want to maintain it, because that protects your investment, guys, especially your flooring. Your flooring is the biggest investment in your home. So it's always a good idea to maintain it and clean it regularly, get on a schedule, so you're not having to restore it all the time. Because, restoring, it can not only is it more expensive than maintaining, but you never want to be in that state where you're being reactive instead of proactive. So I always recommend a maintenance plan, whether it's every 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, whatever kind of flooring you have. The carpet, typically every 6 to 12 months on carpet. Upholstery, usually every other year, or annually at least at the minimum, because you basically live on your furniture, eat on it, play on it, all that good stuff. Mattresses annually. Tile and grout every 2 years. Sealing every 3. We're protecting the carpet fibers every year, or actually every other year, because it does wear off after 24 months, because your fibers are flexible. We also recommend a good clean and buff every 3 years, and a screen and recoat every 3 to 5 years. Longer, depending on how you use it, guys. You got kids and pets, more often than not, but if it's just a couple adults in the household, you can actually get by with 10 years before you have to do anything to your hardwood. If you get a screen and recoat, which is our sandless option. Of course, cleaning and buffing is just popping the sheen. Of course, you guys know we do wax removal as well. A lot of that over-the-counter stuff you put on your floors, we can remove and get it back to the original state. And guys, whenever we do flooring for you, we give you a recommendation on what to use and aftercare instructions, how to maintain it. So that is a plus. The higher in AO cleaning, carpet cleaning restoration to service any of your floor care needs, as well as duct cleaning needs. Duct cleaning, whole nother service. We recommend that every 5 to 7 years. As you guys know, according to the EPA and the Air Duct Association. You can also find more information online at our website at aoclean.com. Also, follow us on Facebook. A lot of information and content there, as well as, of course, YouTube. We've got over 325 videos on all our services that I'm sure you guys will find useful and helpful. A lot of valuable content and creative there. Real homes, real clients that you guys will see that we service every day. And if you want to partner with us and have a spirit service provider, give us a call. We're happy to do so. We're the highest rated company in our area, and we typically service a 30-mile radius of our location. Now, if it's a big job, especially hardwood, we do travel further if needed, sometimes even out of state. But on average, anything other than hardwood, we usually keep it in our 30-mile radius. We can also remove glue from your hardwood from new installs and new construction safely and effectively, as well as our most favorite besides hardwood is tile. And of course, we can do marble floors and granite countertops as well. Polish them up, clean them. Another great benefit. So anyway, guys, a little added value for you guys. And if you found this useful or helpful, give us a follow, share, and a like. We appreciate it. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, steaming it out now. And these guys are doing the maintenance clean. They get their carpets cleaned about every 6 months, especially around the holidays. So we do advise that. This is a repeat client we've been doing for a number of years. So if you guys want to be like this client and just get your carpets maintained, the best way to keep your carpet not only looking great, but having longevity, premature replacement and wear costs down. The biggest investment in your home is flooring. Always a good idea to take care of it, guys. Like this client here. Also, people always ask me, what's better, carpet or hardwood? I always say, living areas and bedrooms, carpet is always a great benefit because of not only the sound barrier and the softness, but also the sound quality. Have you guys ever heard when it's hollow or all hardwood, hear the echo? Carpet makes your environment quieter, and also if you fall, it's there to safeguard you as well. And the biggest one that I like is it acts as a filter. Your carpet, believe it or not, as you guys often hear me say, is the biggest filter in your home. So it's designed to attract all the air particulates, grime, dirt, all those things you can't see. And then your carpet is designed to be vacuumed regularly, as often as 2 to 3 times a week. Now it does depend on how many how many people live in your home, such as the rule of thumb for me anyway is really how many people live in your home is how many heartbeats, right? So if you have 2 people living in your home, it's twice a week. If you have 1 person in your home, it's once a week, and so on and so forth. But how many of us actually do that, right? So that's a little free tip for you guys. You should be vacuuming your carpet depending on how many people live in your home each week. Then that removes the dry soil. Then you have to think about removing the soil that's bonded to your fibers, because that's what it's designed to do, and to keep it fresh again. And then you get your carpets professionally cleaned and steamed and emulsify the dirt so it can be healthy. A healthy carpet is a clean carpet, and a clean carpet is a healthy carpet. So I always recommend first clean for health and then second for appearance. So little valuable tip for you guys. And that's, in essence, is why it's important to get your carpets maintained and professionally cleaned at a minimum every 12 to 18 months, according to the carpet mill and the EPA. So also, you guys also hear me state to keep your carpet warranty valid, you have to get it cleaned by a professional who is IICRC certified. And typically, a truck mounted system like we have is the way to keep your carpet warranty valid. If you do it yourself with one of those rug doctors or surface cleaners, which you can, but keep in mind, you do ruin and void your warranty. So another helpful tip that most don't think about. And that's essentially on your terms and conditions on the carpet that you buy, whether you have a 15 or 25-year warranty, what have you. Now, that leads me to the next question. What kind of carpet is a good carpet to get? I recommend a nylon carpet or a plush carpet, similar to what they have here. Nylon is going to be your best bet. Cleans easy and lasts a long time. It's really the middle grade. Second is probably going to be a Tigressa or a hybrid carpet. The cheapest carpet essentially is like contractor's grade. That's going to be your polyesters, Oaklands, things like that. Which, you know, made from plastic, so it doesn't clean that good, and it loves oil, but it's cheap and it does resist stains. So you just kind of figure out what's going to work for you and your guys' lifestyle, what you're trying to convey. So, all right, guys, 3 tips. You can see the steam coming out. Carpets are responding well. I'm going to finish up. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. All right, guys, looking good. AO, let's go. All right, guys, right here at AO Cleaning. I'm with one of my repeat clients and good friends, Trudy. She loves what I do for her, and she wants to speak to her overall experience, not only with our company, but with the products that we provide, especially the stain remover. Now, I just sold her this here for her hardwoods, but she really loves this. And she said, Ryan, bring that stuff with you. I love it, and it works. So she wants to speak to her overall experience. Without further ado, Trudy, take it away.
Thanks, Ryan. Yes, I do love the stain remover, and I'm anxious to try the wood floor neutral cleaner. I have 9 grandchildren, so spills do happen, accidents happen, and so far the stain remover on my carpet has worked fantastic.
Awesome. Well, appreciate that feedback. That lets other clients know that it works and it's efficient. And guys, if you want some, give me a call. We got you covered. This is right here. This is good for any kind of spots with whether it's urine, tea, coffee, wine, what have you. And this is good for all kind of hard surfaces, whether it's your wood, your laminate, or your LVP like she has here. So try it out.